Hey everyone, I'm super excited to share that after months of dedicated work, Fish Audio 1.5 has officially launched, and wow, what an upgrade it is. We've made huge strides in accuracy, stability, cross-language capabilities, and emotional expression. Plus, we've added support for 5 new languages. Pretty amazing, right?
On December 13th, 2023, Tesla's CEO Elon Musk sold about 1,299,605 shares at an average price of $234.80 per share.
And yes, you can hear how crisp and natural that sounds. Now, let me showcase another example using one of our friends' voice who's giving us a friendly, warm tone.
本片段由中文音频为模板生成英文音频，展现自然的快语言能力。Good morning. The sunshine is really wonderful today. Don't you feel that your mood is also brightened up? I've noticed that you've been a bit busy lately, so I've specially sorted out some plans for you today.
The voice is incredibly natural and smooth, isn't it? And here's something else that's got us really pumped. We're about to roll out real-time seamless conversation capabilities. This means you'll be able to select from our voice library for interactive chats anytime, anywhere. Pretty groundbreaking stuff. Now, let me continue with our GRU demonstration.
In a world where villains and heroes battled for supremacy, one name struck fear into the hearts of do-gooders everywhere: Gru. With his army of mischievous minions and an arsenal of wacky gadgets, Gru had his eyes set on the ultimate prize, stealing the moon itself.
All the audio content you've heard was generated using Fish Audio. If you're intrigued by what we're doing, we'd love to have you join our community and help push the boundaries of ethical audio generation. And definitely check out our terms of service to learn more about our commitment to responsible voice synthesis.